You might already be speaking correct English, but are you speaking natural English? On this channel, you'll improve your listening, pronunciation, vocabulary, and speaking confidence just by listening and practicing with me. So if you want to sound more fluent and more natural in English, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's fix your English. Don't say, I have a doubt. Say, I have a question, because doubt means uncertainty. Don't say, revert back to me. Say, get back to me. That's what native speakers usually say. Don't say, do one thing. Say, here's what you can do. Much more natural and polite. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe now, because every lesson will help you speak more clearly and confidently. Don't say, pass out from college. Say, graduate from university. Pass out actually means faint. Don't say, myself, Tom. Say, I am Tom. Simple English is powerful. Don't say, discuss about the topic. Say, discuss the topic, because discuss doesn't need about. Here, you don't just learn correct English, you learn natural, real-life British English that people actually use. So if you want to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence, subscribe to Learn British English with Deacon Rigo and keep listening, because that's how real improvement happens.